My name is Patrick Hurd. I'm the research director here at Security Seed and Chemical. Security Seed and Chemical is a local retailer based out of Clarksville, Tennessee. We cover Kentucky, Tennessee, southern Indiana, and northern Alabama. What I do is I run the research. We have 2 research farms that are 50 acres apiece for a total of 100 acres, and we have over 500 different test trials each year. What we're looking for products that we can bring to our growers, added value to our growers in this area, so we test them localized so we can find localized data that's done in their back door. I've been working with AgXplore for the last 3 years. We've got a good relationship with them. We're looking at 3 products basically with them: the End Zone GL, Topside, and Prevent. End Zone GL is the first product that we started looking at with AgXplore. We've been looking at it for 3 years now. We mix it in with our liquid UAN and apply it to wheat and corn. And on wheat, we've been applying it with a second application, nitrogen. We've been looking at about 3.5 bushel yield increase over an untreated check, which is just the liquid nitrogen. And then on corn, we've been looking at the same thing, side dressed at about V3 to V5, and we've been seeing 7.5 bushel increase over untreated liquid UAN. As I'm making recommendations for this season, a lot of growers are concerned about the lower commodity prices for corn and wheat. When we're making these recommendations, they want a product that they can feel confident in putting out that's going to give them a good ROI, and End Zone GL we found to be one of those products. Basically what I do is everything that we test, it has to pay for on the grower. So we don't just look at yield, we don't look at just bushel increases. We do look at a bushel increase, but if you get 8 bushels and it costs you, if the cost offsets the 8 bushels, then that's not a big value. So we look at ROI at Security Seed in our research. And so we look at the cost of the product and what it gives us in return, which is ROI. End Zone GL has a very good ROI because it's low cost to the grower, and we've been getting very positive results out of it. So it has one of the highest ROIs in our portfolio. You get the benefit out of protecting your nitrogen, but your nitrogen is also available to the plant, and a lot of our growers really like that in this area. They don't want to put something out there, a nitrogen stabilizer, that's going to slow down that nitrogen being released, but it's also not available to that plant for a period of time. With the End Zone GL, they can apply that nitrogen. It's protected, but it's also available, so if that plant needs it, it can take it up. Phosphorus is a nutrient that is very important to early root development and early plant vigor. The problem with phosphorus is, and a lot of times in our soils, when applied, fixation occurs, and that's when the phosphorus gets tied up with cations in the soil, like aluminum and iron and manganese. Prevent works by repelling those cations. So that was something that was important for us to look at this year because that's a problem we have in our area. We applied the Prevent 3 different ways, and the most consistent method was applied with DAP as a pre-treatment for our corn. AgXplore brought Topside to us this year, and we're very excited about this product. One thing that we can do with this product is help protect nitrogen, but we can apply it with phosphate fertilizers. I see our relationship with AgXplore strengthening in the future. We have good communication with them. A lot of times they'll give us a product to test, we'll look at it, we'll give our feedback, and they'll make some adjustments to make it more of a regionalized product, and we'll get better yield results because you can tell the communication's there, and they hear what you say and we hear what they say. So it's a team effort and a win-win situation.